our 18-inch dual hot plate burner. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 18 inches. A depth, 41 inches. And a height with legs, we have 24.5 inches tall. Coming to the top, each burner plate can be removed. And the measurements for each plate will include 18 inches in length, by 20.5 inches in depth. The front and back burners will have the jet burners below. Coming to the front, we have the on and off valves, and right below, included will be the gas regulator, along with 2 removable oil drip pans. Measurements for each drip pan will include 15 inches in length, 20 inches in depth, with the longer drip pan measuring 20 3/4 inches in depth. Drip pans can be removed and inserted back onto their sluts. Coming to the left corner will be the ANSI certification along with the gas information. And on the back will be the black pipe for hooking up the gas regulator. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.